one. We have a new edition keycap to my collection here. Look at that. It is coming together very nicely. The vibes are off, but we're hoping to fix that. However, a new one popped in. I say it's more the creepy vibes. And yeah, I'm not too sure if I should give it to this guy. I'm going to place it here for now. See how it looks. But yeah, I'm going to take this guy out, put him here somewhere, and see how it looks. Bam. And voila, it came into this nicely tight seal, vacuum seal package, which I might keep to reuse. And yeah, here we are. We have our little boy right here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The detail. I mean, he probably just did his hand. Like, you could just tell he used a brush and did the hand thing. But yeah, it's cool. It's cool. He shaved it down. I really wish the eyes were a little bit more translucent, transparent. That would have been a lot cooler, so it could show through the light itself of the LEDs. But yeah, it's nice. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure if I should have gotten this one or the other one. I just chose white because it kind of goes with the white keycaps I have currently. So I'm gonna put this on and see how it looks. So right out of the bat, I'm actually having some issues putting this guy in here. I don't think it's the problem. Clearly it should fit in there. It's not cut as seamless as it's supposed to. If I can get this in or not. Okay. I think it's in. Yeah. I think it's in. There you go. There you go, everyone. The new addition to the family. It kind of blends in, to be pretty honest. It really does blend in. Like I said, I'm going for the spooky koi fish vibes. I do like the sakura cherry blossom trees here. The plan is to have a whole little lake, the koi fish around in this corner. So hopefully the next few months that could occur, but it is coming along very, very nicely. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any more suggestions.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?